Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you to fix this issue on the HTC 10 where your colors are inverted or you're getting the inky color problem. As you can see here, it inverted colors, meaning that whites are black and blacks are white. So it gives you that inky effect. Of course, this is a issue that can happen on any phone. This device is the HTC 10 and I'm going to show you to fix it in case you have inadvertently ended up in this mode. Now, of course, you can see the mode. It messes up everything because it looks weird. Alright, so let's fix it. So go to apps, all apps, then search for settings. Once you're in settings, most likely you'll be, once you're in settings, you should be at the top of the screen as seen here. Next, you're gonna go down. So scroll all the way down. And of course, once you're down here, search for accessibility. Once you're in accessibility, go down and inverted colors should be on. Turn off inverted color or color inversion, I should say. Once you turn it off, everything will return to normal. And of course, as you can see here, if you go back to the home screen, everything is normal. The colors are right, and of course the device is behaving as it should. And that's how you fix this on the HTC 10. Should be similar across devices. I think this is Android 8.0, but across all devices it should be a similar layout. Alright, so in the tutorial here, as always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. And bye until next time. Bye.